Guys, welcome back to Eat Eastern channel. Today I'm sharing with you some food prep ideas on the weekend. We prepare a big batch of wraps sometimes and these are great. They freeze very well. These are filled with beans, some quinoa and cheese, and they are perfect for lunches. So soak in 1 cup of or 2 cups of red kidney beans in water overnight. You can also just soak them in warm water for about 2 hours. You will notice that after they've been soaking for a while, they'll puff up. Now they are ready to be pressure cooked. You can use canned beans and skip this step altogether. And you can also use any kind of beans of your choice. So don't add too much water, just enough so that you can pressure cook them. We will season them with some salt and taco seasoning. Taco seasoning gives a really nice flavor to these beans. This is great if you are working from home, you're too busy to cook lunches every day. This can be very handy. All right, salt and taco seasoning is in. I'm going to also cook quinoa. Quinoa cooks just like rice. This is a mixed quinoa that I got from Costco. 1 cup of quinoa will require 2 cups of water. Make sure that you bring water to a boil. We are adding a little bit of a salt so that water can start boiling quickly, and also to season quinoa. And in boiling pot of water, adding quinoa, and we'll let quinoa cook. Once everything is cooked, heat a pan with a little bit of oil, and we are going to saute some onions and garlic. So good thing about this recipe is that you can do all the prep work on the weekend and enjoy these wraps whenever you're on a go. Mixing onions and garlic well. Next we will add in salt. Not too much, because if you remember, we've already seasoned the beans and quinoa, and some chili powder. You can also use paprika, you can use cayenne pepper. All right, let's saute onions for a couple minutes. Then we will add in beans. Make sure that you don't have too much water in them. Water would have evaporated as the beans cook. If there is some leftover, you can discard it. You can use them in soups and curries. With beans, we are also putting in our quinoa, mixing these ingredients well. Let them cook for a couple minutes and then let them cool down. Add in a little bit of black pepper on top, and your filling, your mixture is ready. This gives a really nice bite actually. Your beans, quinoa, everything comes well together in this dish. All right, this is all mixed well. Let it cool down. Once it's cool, then you will use the wraps from your local grocery store, whichever ones you like. We like these tortilla wraps. They come in different flavors, corn ones, tomato ones. All right, these are spinach wraps. We've laid them out. Now all we have to do is add in a little bit of our filling. So you can fill them with different things. Beans and quinoa make it very protein rich. We will add some cheese on top. That way when we put them in the griller, they cook really well. All right, now we are just going to fold them. Just fold these sides and then wrap from the bottom up. That's it. Your wraps are ready. Put them in the fridge, and whenever you're ready to enjoy them, just put them in your grill. You can microwave them and then heat them even on a tawa, on a pan. I usually grill them. I hope you like this food prep idea, guys. Give these wraps a try in your own kitchen. Enjoy them with chutney of your choice and you will not regret it.